All right, here is the last question. Hopefully, again, you tried it first before you are checking, because the next one you have to do on your own, okay? So here's my question with my decimal. I'm gonna take the decimal out. So they're just normal whole numbers, and I'll put it back in at the end. So I'm gonna first decompose 521. So I'm gonna make that 500. Here, I'll write it on top. 521. And then 38, I'm gonna make it 30 and 8, okay? So I'll circle these since they're kind of close in there. Okay, so for this box, I'm going up and to the left. So I'm gonna count my zeros first since I have a lot in this one. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna multiply 5 times 3, which is 15. Then for here, it's 20 times 30. So again, I'm gonna add my 2 zeros. And then I'm going to do 3 times 2, which is 6. Then 1 times 30, I know is 30. Okay, and then down here's a little easier. So 500 times 8, so I'm going to add my 2 zeros. And then 5 times 8 is 40. 20 times 8, so I'm going to add my 0. 8 times 2 is 16. And then 8 times 1 is 8. Then I just have to add those up. So again, I'm going to do largest to smallest, so I can make sure that my place values all line up, because that's really important. Okay, so I have them all lined up, so I'm going to add. So in my right column, I have an 8, 6 and 3 is 9, 6 and 1 is 7, 5 and 4 is 9, and then my 1. And then all I have to do is, again, in my question, I have 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal in my answer. And that is it.